Okay guys, I'm going to be doing a video on this carburetor here. I have no idea how to pronounce the name. It's a fake Mancuni carburetor knockoff from aliexpress. I'm sure you guys have seen these before. Uh, I took it out of the cardboard box and it had a plastic wrapper on it. And this is what you get. You get the box, of course. The last one I ordered was smashed too. I have one of these already, and I'll tell you guys about it after I unbox it. But yeah, here we go. Alright, here's the carburetor. If you guys are wondering if this carburetor is any good, it's a flat side carburetor. I run it on my CT70 right now. I'm running it on, and it runs great with this carburetor. No like lagging, no dead spots where my regular round slide carburetor, I get dead spots in it every so often and some popping. I gotta say this carburetor I believe pops on my new bike too, but at least it has no dead spots. Some people like the popping. It doesn't affect me one way or another. I don't care. I don't set my bike up on purpose to do that. But yeah, the carburetor is really nice. It looks like it's got a machine finish on the inside. It's not just cast. You know, it might be a cast carb, of course, but it's not. You know, it's a machine though, and it's actually really nice. Like I said, I run it in my CT70 clone with the ZS190 motor, and it runs really good. And so they give you a bunch of hoses, a sticker, really cheap sticker. Trying to make it look official, but it's not. uh, and they give you a needle and some jets. I don't know if this is a different needle than the one that's in it. The one that's in it, I believe, is brass. Yeah, the one in it now is brass, where this one looks like it's a steel needle, so I don't know if there's a difference between the two. But I left a stock one in there and just moved no, I think I left the needle where it was at actually. And it runs great. I have no problem with it. But I set it from the second slot from the top, just like this one's set up, and it runs really well. Like I said, no dead spots or anything. So if you guys are wondering if this carburetor is any good, this is the 30mm one I'm running on the ZS190, and yes, it is really good, and it works really well with the ZS190. And I imagine, you know, the smaller carburetors would work better with the smaller CC engines. But yeah, the quality is really nice. I mean, the paint finish is decent. Uh, it does scratch kind of fairly easy, you know, like the red stuff, whatever, when you're adjusting or moving things around. But you normally don't sit there and touch it too much after initial adjustments. So, but it's really nice. Got like aluminum anodized choke knob on it. Um, yeah, your idle adjustment. Uh, Pretty nice. I have no idea what this is supposed to do. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's adjustable. It seems like it's just closed. So, well, maybe this one. No, it's closed. So I believe it's as tight as could be. I'll have to check on this one. The one I got now, it is all the way down. But if you adjust it loose, it's like so loose it'll fall out. So yeah, this is pretty tight. Um, but yeah, you could take this out, take out one of your jets to change it out, which is really nice. This little spot here is where you run your drain hose. Um, but yeah, guys, this is the whatever fake Mancuni carburetor. And yes, it does work well. I recommend buying it if you're cheap like me. But keeping my Chinese bike all Chinese. Um, but yeah, if I have any problems with it, I'll keep you guys updated. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, and yeah. see you guys in the next one, and take care. Bye.